इस वीडियो में हम कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन और एनवायरनमेंट के प्रीवियस ईयर्स के क्वेश्चंस क्लास 10th के डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन बता रहा हूं कि याद कर लीजिएगा, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। कंट्रोल कोऑर्डिनेशन का पहला क्वेश्चन, करेक्ट द स्टेटमेंट रिसेप्टर इज फर्स्ट gustatory receptor detect the taste and olfactory detect the smell. Second, both gustatory gustatory and olfactory receptor detect smell. अब सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, इलेक्ट्रिकल impulses travel in the neuron as न्यूरॉन किस तरीके से चलते हैं? डेंड्राइट, एक्सॉन, एक्सोनल एंड सेल बॉडी। दूसरा है डेंड्राइट, सेल बॉडी, एक्सॉन एंड एक्सोनल एंड। नेक्स्ट थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, इन द स्नाइपेज chemical signal is transmitted from first dendrite end of one neuron to axonal end or to the another neuron. Second है B, axonal end of the one neuron to dendrite of the another neuron. ध्यान रखिएगा। क्वेश्चन 4, change of electrical signal to a chemical signal takes place at dash dash dash। आपने बताना है ये कहां पर होता है। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, इनवॉलेंट्री एक्शन आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय मेडुला इन फोर ब्रेन और इन हाइंड ब्रेन और इन मिड ब्रेन। नेक्स्ट, करेक्ट द सीक्वेंस ऑफ द कंपोनेंट ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्स आर्क इज। चूज करना है इसमें सही कंपोनेंट कौन से हैं। रिसेप्टर, मोटर न्यूरॉन, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, सेंसरी न्यूरॉन, मसल्स। सेकंड बी, रिसेप्टर, सेंसरी न्यूरॉन, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, मोटर न्यूरॉन एंड मसल्स। इसमें चारों ऑप्शन नहीं लिखे हैं, दो ही ऑप्शन, जो इनमें से कोई करेक्ट हो वो आप मार्क कीजिएगा या याद कीजिएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज ट्रू, कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सही है। A sudden action in response to something in the environment is called reflex action, and the path through which the signal is transmitted are called uh, are transmitted from receptor to muscles or glands is called reflex arc. Second B, the sensory neurons carry signals from the receptor to spinal cord. हाँ जी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, ट्रू स्टेटमेंट निकालना है। दैट इज द मेन थिंकिंग पार्ट इज डन बाय हैंड ब्रेन। सही है गलत ये आपने बताना है। द सेंटर्स ऑफ हियरिंग, स्मेल, मेमोरी, साइट आर लोकेटेड इन फोर ब्रेन। बताना है। इन voluntary action like saliva, vomiting, BP are controlled by medulla in the hindbrain। ये ट्रू एंड फॉल्स बताने हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 8th, द पोस्चर एंड द बैलेंस ऑफ द बॉडी इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय सेरेब्रम, मेडुला, सेरेबुलम। अब आता है नेक्स्ट बी, द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम डैश डैश डैश। आपने बताना कहाँ ओरिजिनेट होता है। विच हार्मोन इज सिंथेसिस बाय आयोडीन, ये आपने बताना है। Which what is insulin, where is it produced and what does it do? Next question number 9 2024 में पूछा गया है, the movement of the plant towards light is dash dash dash। what is the main function of abscisic acid in the plant? The growth of the tendril in pea plant is due to effect of light, effect of gravity, rapid cell division in the tendril cell that area away the support, aerial away the supports। Where are these hormones are produced? Adrenal, testosterone, estrogen, thyroxine, write their functions. Next, the growth of the pollen tube towards the ovule is due to the chemotropism, chemotropism, hydrotropism, or geotropism. The movement of sunflower in accordance with the path of the sun is due to phototropism और geotropism. ये क्वेश्चन है, इनमें ऑप्शन चुनने हैं आपको. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. A person suffering from severe cold cannot differentiate first A. Taste of the ice cream, B. Smell of perfume, C. Second question है, dwarfism is due to a less secretion of adrenaline or growth hormone. Third question है, puberty in the body of a boys and girls are due to dash. Fourth, the fertility in male increases due to dash. Up question number 13. Which gland is unpaired? Next, the life of the human being are controlled and regulated by A. Respiratory and nervous system, B. Nervous and endocrine system, C. Endocrine and digestive system. इनमें से आपको सही ऑप्शन चुनना है. Name the hormones used in first A. Elongation of cell, B. Growth of stem, C. Promotion of cell division, D. Falling of senescence of leaves. 15th, what is tropic movement? What will happen if the person intake long amount of iodine in diet? C. Draw the structure of neuron and explain it. C. What is the major part of the brain and explain the function? Next, name the type of the plant hormones and function. Explain reflex action with example. Question number 16. What is the function of unit of nervous system and the largest cell of the human body? Next, what are the main division of nervous system? Next, what are the main parts of the nervous system? Question number 17. What do you mean by response of stimuli? Next, a part of nervous system which another system with control and coordinate various functions of the body. इसमें आंसर है एंडोक्राइन और हार्मोनल सिस्टम, इन दोनों में से कोई चुनना है. In plants, the nested movement of the plant and breaking of dormancy are controlled by which hormone? That is हार्मोन है क्रोम, फाइटोक्रोम. ध्यान रखिएगा, इसका आंसर है. A car driver suddenly applied the brakes when he found a child is crossing the road in front of a speeding car. Which organ system was the first to operate in act? Next, what action is done suddenly? Name the pony box in which the brain is placed. Name the fluid which mechanically supports the brain. Next, which part of the brain is responsible for auditory reception and sensation of smell? Next, which part of brain controls the respiratory center? Bones present in the hindbrain. Answer है ये. Name the part of brain which controls the involuntary action, voluntary action, part of the brain responsible for the intelligence and memory. Okay. What is CFC and CGSECG? Name the scientist who gave the name harpoon. नाम है Byliss and Starling. The control and coordination of all hormone producing glands is lost in the person, which gland becomes non-functional. Pituitary gland, ध्यान रखिएगा pituitary gland बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. Name the hormone secreted by parathyroid glands and its function. What is oxytocin called a birth? Why is oxytocin is called the birth hormones? Name the two hormones of pancreatic islets. Name the hormones in the human body which secretes digestive enzymes and hormones. Which gland is called exocrine and endocrine glands? Name the hormone secreted by endocrine gland during the emergency. Name the gland which secretes this hormone. Which hormone is in human body which regulates carbohydrates, protein and fats metabolism? Where does it take place? What problem is caused if pituitary do not function properly? How is spinal cord protected? What happens if cerebellum gets damaged? ये 2024 के क्वेश्चंस हैं. Distinguish between hormonal coordination in plants and animals. Which is the part of brain responsible for intelligence, riding of bicycle, vomiting, control of hunger? How is brain and spinal cord is protected? ये क्वेश्चन पहले भी पूछे जा चुके हैं, आपको पता है. What is tropic movement? Give the examples of the plant hormone for inhibits the growth of the plant and division of cell. Explain the directional movement of tendril in pea plant responsible of touch. Name the hormone responsible for the movement. ये क्वेश्चंस बार बार रिपीट हुए हैं, मैंने जानकर बार बार लिखा है जिससे कि आपको पता लग जाए कि ये कितने इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. अब इन्वायरमेंट पर मैं क्वेश्चंस बता रहा हूं. What is ecosystem? What is the advantage of using disposable cup over the plastic in parties? What are the reason of the generation of a greater waste material? Why why there is a hue against CFC? यानी कि CFC के अगेंस्ट क्यों इतना हल्ला हो रहा है? Name the devices in which CFC is used. Name two non-biodegradable waste. Next. Question 2. Why forest and lakes are called the natural ecosystem? Aquarium is artificial ecosystem. How? Name the first and last tropic level. Autotrophic, carnivorous, herbivorous. How do the change takes place in the environment? Next, why are the first tropic level are green plants? List the two component of the environment. Next, question 3. In the food chain, 100 joule is available to the lion. Much energy, how much energy is present if the producer A first make a food chain of frog, grass, insect and snake. Second, make the food chain of peacock, frog, grass, snake, grasshopper Next, make the food chain of fox, rabbit, grass, and tiger. Next, what is the chemical formula of ozone? What is the nature of ozone? What is the function of ozone layer? How the ozone layer is depleting and how is it dangerous to us? Next, what is the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable? Which of the following are biodegradable and non-biodegradable? Items लिखने हैं DDT, crop residue, leather, glass, cotton, cloth, paper, wool, silver foil, leather, cotton pots, tomato leaves, aluminum wire, synthetic fiber. Name the two biotic and abiotic factors give the main environment give the main environmental problems. List the advantage of using cloth or gunny bags over the polythene bags. Eighth question. No pesticides like DDT spray to kill the pest on the crops are found to be present in the soil, ground, and water bodies. Explain how they reach to these places. Question number 9. Sun, phytoplankton, zooplankton, or small fish, big fish. What does it show about the food chain? Next, if lake is contaminated with pesticides, which of the following organism will have a biological magnification? Small fish, pelican birds, zooplankton, phytoplankton, or big fish, and why? If there are no microorganisms, what will happen to garbage, dead material, and plants? Next, what is biodiversity? What will happen if biodiversity of the area is not preserved? Next question, 12th. Which is better? A plant is eaten by man directly or plant eaten by goat and the man eats goat? Why? Next, what will happen to grassland if all grass or grazers or herbivores are removed from the surface of the earth? Next, what happens if all the decomposers are eliminated from the earth? Next question, draw a systematic diagram of different food chains shown the energy and how of the food chain by figure. What is tropic level? Explain 10% law with examples. Explain food web. ये 2024 का क्वेश्चन है. Use of pesticides to protect the crop harms the organism at various level, especially human being. Name the phenomena involved and how do it take place. ओके, अब मैं आपको फिजिक्स के क्वेश्चन दूंगा. मैंने बायोलॉजी के सारे क्वेश्चंस जितने भी पॉसिबल हो सकते थे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आपको दिए. याद करिए, पढ़िए. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्जाम्स वंस अगेन.